Very enjoyable, rain, hail or shine. I think I've had it all. So this morning I'm in Gipsy Point, which is in East Gippsland, not far from Mallacoota, and it is just amazing. It's raining, but it's really nice. It's warm and it's calm, and yeah, it's just beautiful. I actually don't mind that it's raining. This is nice. This is a true wilderness out here. It's just so beautiful. It's raining. I'm a bit wet, but it's warm and it's stunning. Couldn't ask for anything better than this, except some sun. Oh my god, it's absolutely pouring. This is one of the most amazing places I've actually kayaked. It's really pretty and it's so big. So on the map you've got like all these little arms that come out, and you can pretty much explore the whole area. This is very good. If you've got a chance to come up this way, bring a kayak because it's really amazing. Very enjoyable, rain, hail or shine. I think I've had it all. I would like to explore every bit of this area and go in at all sorts of different spots because it's just brilliant. Hey, bit of sunshine. The area up here in East Gippsland is kind of stormy at the moment. So we have like these storms that roll in, you'll have some rain, and then it kind of clears and you end up with this beautiful day. So back to a little bit of sun, which is great because it just sort of shows off this area so much better. Like I said, rain, hail or shine, it's just beautiful. I like it anyway. I don't care. I don't care if it's raining, hailing or snowing. It's really good. I'm officially encroaching along the national park in my kayak. This is a great day. This is a great day for me and my kayaking adventures. Crow-a-Jingalong National Park. Definitely stick it on your list if you want to have a nice wilderness paddle somewhere in Victoria. Phew, it's fantastic. In Australia. Seriously, this is fantastic. 10 out of 10. That's the sound of the bellbirds. So launching from Gipsy Point was really simple. There was a nice easy boat ramp, parking's right there, toilet facilities, there's a lawn area. So yeah, very simple to set up and get into the water from Gipsy Point car park. So yeah, easy. And you've got so much to explore. This whole area is just amazing. So it's pretty remote, actually. But there's lots of access points. So if you started to panic or something like that, or like you're taking a water, you can actually, there's little sandbars and things around, so you can actually just stop and get off. A boat will come past and find you eventually. Eventually. Anyway, I'm heading back now because I'm hungry and I want some lunch. This is so enjoyable. I don't normally even stay out for very long, but on this particular trip, I could be out here for ages. Hours and hours. It really is very nice, and there's so much to see. And there's things like this bank on the other side of Gipsy Point, which you wouldn't get access to if you didn't have a boat. So I'm just having a look. It's just stunning.
How was it?
It was really nice. You could just keep going and going and going.
Yeah.
It was just so beautiful. I didn't see any wildlife.
Okay.
I think the pelican just then. That was pretty good.